Before you decide to buy INE, there are a few things you need to know. It's one of the top-rated platforms for professionals and businesses looking to up their game in digital learning. But is it right for you? Stick around, and I'll walk you through the most important things to consider before you make that purchase, and why it might be worth it to check out the free trial linked below. First off, one of the most compelling reasons to consider INE is its huge library of learning resources. While many platforms like Udemy and LinkedIn Learning offer courses on a variety of subjects, INE specializes in tech, cybersecurity, and IT certifications. So if you're looking to advance your career in these fields, it's an invaluable resource. From Cisco to CompTIA, their catalog is highly specific and well-structured, designed to take you from beginner to expert level. Next thing, INE offers some of the most in-depth, hands-on training you'll find. You're not just watching videos, they provide real-life labs where you can practice what you're learning in a controlled environment. This is a huge advantage compared to other platforms that are mostly theory-based and don't provide the same interactive elements. So, if you want to practice your skills while you learn, INE might be the one you want to commit to. The third thing you should know is about their learning paths. INE breaks down complex certifications into manageable modules. Whether you're aiming for a CompTIA certification or want to dive into cloud computing with AWS, you can follow a clear, guided learning path. Some competitors might offer a ton of different courses, but INE's structure is much more goal-oriented, helping you track your progress step by step. Moving on, let's talk about the pricing. INE is definitely on the pricier side, especially when compared to alternatives like Udemy or Pluralsight. However, for the specialized knowledge and hands-on practice you get, it's generally considered a worthwhile investment if you're serious about certification in IT or cybersecurity. Plus, they offer several pricing tiers based on how much access you need, which makes it flexible depending on your goals. The fifth thing to consider is INE's reputation in the industry. INE has built a strong name among IT professionals and is often recommended by certification boards and exam preparers. Unlike platforms that are more generalized, INE is recognized for its quality content in niche industries like cybersecurity and cloud computing. This makes it a trusted resource if you're looking to advance in those fields. Next up, let's talk about the community and support. INE provides a strong community with forums, peer support, and expert guidance. Unlike other platforms that may leave you hanging if you need help, INE offers direct access to instructors and professionals who can answer your questions. This is especially important if you're tackling difficult concepts and need someone to help clear things up quickly. The seventh thing you should know is about their ongoing updates. In the world of IT, things move fast. New technologies emerge and old ones evolve. INE is committed to keeping its content up to date, which is crucial if you're investing in a platform for long-term learning. Whether it's a new version of Cisco's exam requirements or changes in cloud certifications, INE ensures that its library stays current, so you're always learning the most relevant material. To wrap things up, if you're serious about advancing your career in tech, whether you're looking for deep dive learning or hands-on practice, INE offers a unique set of features that other platforms don't. The learning paths, hands-on labs, and focused content make it one of the best options for IT professionals. If you're unsure, try it out yourself. Click the first link below to get an exclusive free trial and explore the platform. You might find it's exactly what you've been looking for.